What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing my unboxing and first impressions on the new TCL 20 Pro 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is in good health. Huge shout out to TCL for actually sending out this device. I did get this a little bit ago, as well as the budget version of this phone as well. This device is going to go for about $499, and with that price tag you do get a lot of stuff inside this device. Now we are going to do the full review on this later on, but this is just merely the unboxing and first impressions. As far as the specifications go, we're going to have an AMOLED display on this device. It's going to be 6.67 inches and it's going to be full HD. For our main camera, we're going to have a 48 megapixel sensor, 6 gigabytes of RAM, Snapdragon 750G 5G, and a 4,500 milliamp battery with Android 11 out of the box. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take off the top. We have the phone on the top right here, and this color is actually going to be the marine blue. We're going to take a look at that in a second. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. Taking off this top, we also have what looks like to be carrying our instruction booklet and our case right there. So yeah, we actually do have a case, which is great to see. TCL has been doing that with their phones lately. Really appreciate them on that. So we have our safety and precautions guide, and we also have our instruction guide right there as well. And we have our case. This is going to be a see-through TPU case, and obviously we're going to have our SIM card ejector tool. Now, as far as what's in the box, we actually do have our charger right here, and we can charge our phone up to 18 watts, which is great to see. And we do have our USB Type-C data cable. Now, getting inside of the phone right here, let's go ahead and take this out. This is actually one of my favorite colors, man. This blue looks super good. Taking a look at the back of the device, we have this frosted glass back, and it actually transitions to this smooth glass right here, which I think is really cool. Obviously, we have our TCL logo right there, and on the back we have our LED flash, and as you guys can see, it shows us our quad camera setup right here. Now for our main camera, we're going to have a 48 megapixel wide angle camera. Our secondary is going to be a 16 megapixel ultra wide. Our third camera is going to be a 2 megapixel macro, and our fourth camera is going to be a 2 megapixel depth camera. Right side of the phone, we have our volume up and down rocker right there. Just below that, we have our power button. Left side of the device, we have a side key, and you guys can actually go ahead and set up whatever application you want to open with that key, so that's always great to see. Bottom of the device, we have our speaker. We also have our USB Type-C port, and to the left of that, we actually have a SIM tray right there that actually doubles as a SIM tray and an SD card slot, so you guys can actually expand your memory on this already 256 gigabyte internal phone to about 1 terabyte while having your SIM card inside of there as well. And also, top of the device, we have something that a lot of devices that are $600-700 more than this don't have. We have an IR blaster, and we have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. We also have a noise canceling mic, so it's great to see the IR blaster and the headphone jack right there on a premium phone. And as you guys see, we're just gonna go ahead and boot up this phone right here, and we have this huge almost 6.7 inch display right here, and this is actually going to be a rounded display, so it's going to kind of fall off to the sides. So it's nice to see we have a rounded display in 2021. I honestly kind of miss those rounded displays. I think they look really cool. And we have our hole punch camera at the top in the middle right there, so great to see that. And as you guys see, turning on this phone, we have an in-screen fingerprint sensor right here, and we're gonna go and test that out for you guys. Boom, super quick. As you guys can see, we also have facial recognition if you guys would like to use that as well. Also, the wallpapers that TCL put on their devices are actually really cool, and I do enjoy looking at them. But the screen so far, very bright colors, very good saturation, and everything looks really good. So I'm impressed with the screen, especially at this $500 price tag. Now, the other thing about this device is we actually do have wireless charging up to 15 watts. So if you guys would like to go ahead and charge your phone wirelessly, it comes with that fast charging inside of there. Great thing about this camera as well is we can actually shoot in 4K at 30 frames per second, and you can shoot at 1080p as far as our video goes. up to 60 frames per second. So it's nice to see that. And obviously we have that video stabilization. So we have the EIS inside this device as well, which is nice to see. And as I said before, we have our Android 11 in here with our March 1st security patch for 2021. But great to see Android 11 straight out of the box. But the last thing I just want to go ahead and do is test out the screen on a 4K video, and then also test out the volume and see how the speakers work on this device. And we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. Obviously, we're going to do many more videos on this device, but let's go and check that out. Also, a heads up, when you watch videos on YouTube, you can actually watch them in HDR, which is great to see. And we can watch up to 1440p at 60 frames per second. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on, and we're going to see how this looks. Alright guys, so far I feel like the display looks really good for $500, and you guys already know, if you haven't been living under a rock, TCL actually does make TVs, and they're actually, I think, the leading TV manufacturer in the United States right now. So they make very high quality screens for a very low price, and they did the same thing on the TCL 20 Pro 5G, and absolutely love how this screen is looking right now. Price tag and everything seems like it's really solid for this screen. And then also we're gonna go ahead and turn up the volume. So far we have some really good bass on this device, and this is only going to be one speaker at the bottom. We're not going to have dual speakers or stereo speakers on this device. We just have a mono speaker at the bottom. So if you guys don't cover that up while gaming, I know it is a little bit bigger of a phone, so it's going to be a little harder to cover up. So you guys are going to be able to game and not cover that up. But if you don't cover it up, it's a very loud speaker, very clear, very crisp. Yeah guys, very good stuff for the TCL 20 Pro so far. Obviously we saw some things on this device that we're not even seeing on devices that are $600-700 more. Obviously at the top, that headphone jack and that IR blaster is something that we don't really see anymore on any other devices, especially in 2021. And we also have our expanded storage up to 1 terabyte on a device that's only $500. So great to see that. 256 gigabytes of storage in this device as well, if I didn't say already. And yeah, we're going to be doing the gaming review and everything on this device later on. If there's any videos you guys want me to do on this device, definitely leave it in the comments section down below. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this unboxing. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.